As we mentioned a moment ago, we've got some breaking news from the Supreme Court on last week's mifepristone decision. Lisa Rubin, MS Now senior legal reporter, joins us. So what exactly have they allowed?
Court hasn't allowed anything other than to extend what's already an administrative stay by another 3 days. That means, Katie, that the Supreme Court's block on a lower court decision that itself would have blocked the FDA's 2023 expansion of mifepristone access is still on hold. That means access to mifepristone, at least through Thursday, is still allowed in the ways that it has been allowed, through telehealth and through mail order pharmacy. There are going to be folks at home who are asking, why is the Supreme Court doing this? Is this a good sign or is this a bad sign? And reading the tea leaves with the Supreme Court is always a fool's errand. But let me try to tell you what I think could be going on. This could be Justice Alito, as a courtesy, granting some additional time for some of his colleagues to write dissents. If the court is about to issue a decision that will transform the landscape of medication abortion in this country, you can imagine that at least the three liberals on the court are going to want an opportunity to dissent, and at length.
So just let's get the basics down real quick. Mifepristone has been available to women across this country, no matter where they live, through telehealth. So if you're in a red state where abortion is illegal, you can still get this by mail from another state.
Well, there are states who have prohibited virtually all access to abortion, and they would say it is unlawful in their state for anyone to even receive this.
Yes.
But yes, there are mail order pharmacies that have been sending mifepristone into states that bar abortion access through state law.
And the Supreme Court might stop that.
It's possible that the Supreme Court would stop all nationwide access to mifepristone through the mail and via telehealth.
You'd have to go to a doctor to get it.
You would have to go to a doctor to get it, and you would have to go in person to a pharmacy to get it. And even for people in states that have liberal abortion access laws like California or New York, that could be extremely dangerous if they live in these so-called abortion deserts with, rural areas and the like.
All right, Lisa Rubin.